vtol at Reklamy Festival in Moscow. Hello!
Hi.
I'm curious about the Axoloti board that you use in some of your sound installations. So what do you like about this board?
Well, I think it's a unique board because after Nord Modeler was discontinued 10 years ago, there is no modular digital hardware platform which could be useful for building DIY projects, sound installation, musical instruments, and like your own DIY synthesizers. And it's extremely useful because it has quite a lot of GPIO. It's quite easy to use it, and it can control motors. You can hook any sensors to it. You could like do amazing stuff with sound using that board. So altogether, this makes this product really unique, and the price is really decent. So,
Oh, sweet. And it's just one person building all of them?
as I know, it's just one guy who started the project. I don't know if there is a team, but probably it's mostly just like one-man show, yeah, something like that. And the support is also really amazing. There is a nice community around the board, which is very important for any platform like that, because there is quite a lot of people who are suggesting building new objects for the programming language, because it's a visual programming system. So you need to like you have an environment like a Pure Data or MaxMSP where you build the blocks like a modular system in your laptop, and then you upload it there to the board, and then it's running standalone, which is really nice. So
Thank you so much.
cool.
While I was in Moscow, I had the chance to visit an actual exhibition by vtol, which was incredibly exciting, as I have seen his work before at Ars Electronica a couple of years ago, and been following it ever since. The infamous blood-based synthesizer was not there, but there was a bunch of other cool stuff, including this metaphase sound machine, which uses several rotating sensors that interact with each other. There's also this one, which was inspired by drilling rock cores for science. This one was fascinating. 4 little devices broadcasting their own Wi-Fi networks that would read you poetry by each of their authors. Plus, they included QR codes that would bring you to info pages about the poets themselves. This one was probably my favorite. Zoltan is this old, weird fortune-telling robot that you'll sometimes see in malls and things. And vtol has built a Zoltan for the modern age, which prints out fortunes, which are quotations from people like Stanislav Lem, the science fiction author, and Kevin Kelly, a modern fortune teller. Mayak was another cool one that involves interacting with the sculpture's internet via your phone. This one broadcasts 4 hotspots whose activity is displayed on the LEDs in the piece. If you've ever stared at a modem thinking that it looks like some kind of futuristic art, then this piece is for you. As I scrolled through Instagram, my activity was being broadcast through that LED. Here's one that uses the incredible term occult futurology called RAW. It is all about reading this pyrite disc with a laser, as though it were a record. Konus plays with the idea of cellular automata using these naturally occurring shells that strongly resemble Sierpinski triangles in similar forms. The entire show was incredibly cool, and I can't wait to see what comes out next from this ridiculous artist.